Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a great day. My name is Andy. My channel is Finding Value, and I guess we could say we found value here in uranium. We've been riding it higher as a group on the channel. We're doing our daily technical analysis to see what's going on. We've been hitting our head on this resistance, the resistance line. I'm going to call it the resistance. And some of these stocks, guys, they are breaking through. The American crew, they're killing it. The American crew today did very well. You'll see. We'll call it African crew didn't do as well. They kind of pulled back, and the Canadians were split. Some of them did well. Some of them kind of were teetering if they were an explorer. And we'll go through the charts and I'll show you what I mean by all that. So let's dive in. And again, this is just my financial opinion. Please don't use it as advice. And here we go. So here's uranium. Here's physical. Let's get physical. We've moved on up a little bit. We're at 48.85, at least according to Trading Economics. And I know some people have some more latest and greatest stuff, but I get more blown away by looking at the big picture view. And I'm just looking at the right-hand side, and this is going vertical. And I think it's going to continue to move higher over time. I think we're going to do a left to right movement up to the upper right. Give it time. I think this is one of the lowest risk areas to be owning uranium since we're under the cost curves of the high cost producers. So I like it. I like uranium. I've been holding on. I've been adding into the sector on pullbacks. I like to think I've been doing everything right. The valuation in uranium is great. We have a deficit in the market balance. We've got further deficits in the future. This is lining up to be, I think, one of the best sectors to be invested in at the moment. Oil is another one that's absolutely incredible. So looking at North Shore Global Uranium, I feel like this is like a TV show, North Shore Global Uranium Mining ETF. And here we are. And what do we see, guys? What do we see? I see a breakout, guys. Now, what do we need to do? We need to finish this week strong. We can't finish weak. I want to finish above this line, close above it on the weekly. And I want to blow through this area right here. Let's get above it. It looks like it's going to do that. But let's be patient. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's see what this rest of the week brings us. What is Thursday and Friday going to bring us? And is it going to bring us a strong close? Remember, this is a weekly candlestick basis that I'm looking at here. Each candlestick's a week in duration. We are still scribing out this candlestick. But it looks good. It looks like we're ready to go. Let's go to the dailies. So here's URNM on the daily. It tried selling off today. What happened? Buyers came in, pushed it higher, up to the peak here. What are we going to do tomorrow? I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do tomorrow, but I can tell you this. I'm going to be clicking refresh on the portfolio, and I'm going to be looking to see what URNM is doing, to see if the sector is going to break out above 98.45, above this 99 area. We break and start moving. This could be a big move. It could. Let's see what happens tomorrow. And we're going to see this across the entire sector. It looks like we're closing. We're getting some closings on the daily basis above its previous closings. We are forging into new highs. We're forging into new territories. What I say and think about this is, I think it's great. That's what I think. And here we go. We're coming through here. This guy, if you use, let me use this guy here. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, yeah, that looks good. Man, it's like somewhere right there. It's like we just got above it and we're ready to go. If you use these guys, these lines here. Man, this is going to be exciting, guys. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I can't wait. Next Gen Energy, another one. It's right there trying to break. My goodness. We were right up on it. It tried selling off today. We got bought back up. Man, because actually the line would be about right. It's like right in here. what I'm trying to draw is I'm trying to draw it on the closings on a lot of these. And we're right there ready to break. God, let's see what tomorrow brings us. Let's see what tomorrow has in store. And Fission's throwing a bullish engulfing here. Man, maybe the pullback was this is it, and we're about to break higher. Maybe. That looks good. Dennis and Mines, go, buddy. Heck yes. We finished strong, too. That's a big update with the strong closing. I like seeing this development, guys. Man, it looks like we broke through here. It's really close. How you draw this in. Anyway, it looks like we're breaking to the upside. We've got stronger, higher low, and man, we're just coming right through it. We're cutting it. We're cutting the butter, the hot butter with a samurai sword, guys. Looks good. Sky Harbor, I mean, the exploration Canadian crew kind of lagging behind. There's one. This one's coming into some selling pressure. There's a lot of selling pressure up here. Base load, again, we sold off a little bit, but we've got the buyers coming back, wanting to push it higher. Good job. A little bit of selling pressure in Pure Point. These are all Canadian exploration companies, guys. So they're coming into a little bit of pressure. Same with Fission 3.0, another Canadian exploration company coming on up. It's coming into some resistance. And standard uranium, I'll draw the trend line in here just to show you guys what's going on. There's your trend line. Broke out, pulled back to do a retest, and we're heading back up higher. Yeah, we're bouncing around. Give it some time. Now, the American crew, the American uranium producers, they're forging through, guys. These guys are being the leaders. So this guy finished strong. It broke to the upside. It tried selling off, but the buyers came in, said, no way, Jose, we're moving higher. And UEC, my Lord. Look at this. Look at this, guys. UEC setting an example. Breaking to the upside. 12% up day. Good volume. Way to go, UEC. URG. Bullish engulfing. Looks like we're lining up to potentially move higher, hopefully. So that looks good. Ooh. UROY. Me Roy? No, UROY. UROY. Me likey. This is looking good, guys. Look at that. Breaking out on volume with big buying pressure. Go UROY. I love the royalty outperformance here. So it looks fantastic, guys. It finished strong today too. Encore looks good too. Yeah, it was down today. It looks like we don't have a lot of selling pressure. The buyers will step in here. Give it some time. It's still developing. Just give it time. And then we got the African uranium crew. They wanted to do the pullback move today. They've been really strong. So we've got a little bit of pullback there, a little bit of a pullback in deep yellow. Nothing to worry about. Forces, yeah, it's an up day, but it was still kind of small compared to the American crew. This guy's got a lot of resistance up here. It's trying to break through it. Give it time to develop. Goviax, nice strong close today, guys. 6.33. I like it a lot. Good job, Goviax. We've got Global Atomic here. It's playing with its all-time highs. I think it's an all-time high, yeah. Coming into the resistance. Give it some time. We got higher lows. Everything looks good. Let it go. Paladin Energy, little kind of going sideways. But again, it looks fantastic. Let it keep going in its uptrend. Don't do anything. Just hold on. Because that done prom, little small down days, the sellers have nothing. It's going to continue higher. Peninsula Energy coming on down, doing the U-shaped move, doing the U-shaped dance. Just let it go. Boss Energy is doing the same thing with the U-shaped dance. I bet you we'll see this continuing to try to get through this resistance. Laramide, good job, Laramide. Nice 7.5% up day. Nice big buying pressure day. Finished strong. Looks fantastic. Breaking this high here. I think we could continue, maybe get some momentum and continue the roll. Blue sky uranium, looking at it, it's trying a lot of resistance above this 32-cent area. It's trying, guys. It's trying. Let it develop. That's what I have for today. Fantastic performance out of some of these areas. URNM, it's above its resistance line now. We gotta keep the pedal to the metal. Keep pushing it higher. Let's close above that resistance line, and we may see another trend line develop, a steeper trend, where we start to accelerate to the upside if we close above that resistance line. That's at least what we hope. So uranium overall, I give it a thumbs up. I don't see any sellers. They're not out there pushing driving this stuff lower. The buyers are stepping in. They're pushing it higher. We're breaking resistance lines. Everything looks great. The American crew, the leaders, breaking to the upside. So everything looks great. And I'm just holding on. I'm holding on and enjoying the ride. If you guys like the content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.